ones! Today we will meet ABC fruits! A. Apple. A is for apple. A. Avocado. A is for avocado. B. Banana. B is for banana. B. Blueberry. B is for blueberry. C. Cherry. C is for cherry. C. Coconut. C is for coconut. D. Damson plum. D is for damson plum. D. Dragon fruit. D is for dragon fruit. E. Elderberry. E is for elderberry. E. Egg fruit. E is for egg fruit. F. Fig. F is for fig. F. Feijoa. F is for feijoa. G. Grape. G is for grape. G. Grapefruit. G is for grapefruit. H. Horned melon. H is for horned melon. H. Honeydew melon. H is for honeydew melon. I. Imbe. I is for imbe. J. Jambalin. J is for jambalin. J. Jackfruit. J is for jackfruit. K. Kiwi. K is for kiwi. K. Kumquat. K is for kumquat. L. Lychee. L is for lychee. L. Loquat. L is for loquat. M. Mango. M is for mango. M. Mulberry. M is for mulberry. N. Nectarine. N is for nectarine. N. Nance. N is for nance. O. Orange. O is for orange. O. Olive. O is for olive. P. Pineapple. P is for pineapple. P. Pear. P is for pear. Q. Quince. Q is for quince. R. Rambutan. R is for rambutan. R. Raspberry. R is for raspberry. S. Starfruit. S is for starfruit. S. Strawberry. S is for strawberry. T. Tangerine. T is for tangerine. T. Tamarillo. T is for tamarillo. U. Ugly fruit. U is for ugly fruit. U. Ugly fruit. U is for ugly fruit. V. Velvet apple. V is for velvet apple. V. Voavanga. V is for voavanga. W. Watermelon. W is for watermelon. W. White currant. W is for white currant. X. Himenia. X is for himenia. X. Sigua. X is for sigua. I. Yuzu. Y is for yuzu. Z. Ziziphus. Z is for ziziphus. Today we learned about wonderful ABC fruits. For more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like it, and turn on the notification. Thank you very much.